Welcome, everyone. It's feeling a little bit like Christmas here, and we have our new holiday cheer card kit for December 2018. I am going to start you off with the adorable Christmas cheer 6x8 clear stamp set. This is illustrated by Christina Werner, and it has a really fun retro feel to it. She has created some stamps that you could add to your cards and just stamp and color. Also, a really great tree that has a nice little stand, plenty of messages, some snow, snowflakes, and a fun North Pole that you can add some of those messages in. And this Santa just is adorable. I love his look. We have created an exclusive die for this kit, and it is candy canes along with the bow. And it is 3 pieces. Once you die cut everything, your bow is in 2 pieces, and it also has embossed lines to finish out the bow. To custom color your cardstock, we've included a Distress Oxide ink, and that is Festive Berries from Tim Holtz. And our paper pad this month comes from Cartabella, and there are 12 sheets, and they are double-sided, and you can see it has that old school look. I'll flip through these for you so you can see all the patterns. There are multiple types of patterns. You have solids and also mixed backgrounds, some that you could cut up and put onto your cards, some really fun red snowflakes, Santa Clauses and backgrounds, plaids, little pieces that you can also add as a main feature on your card. One that has all Merry Christmas words and a really great candy cane stripe and a scene with trees and sleds. We have some stripes, trees, and a nice swirly blue background. Next, I have up something really special. These are custom made 6x13 stickers from Cartabella, and that is Santa's Workshop. The first set has a lot of wording that you can put onto your cards and smaller images that you can make some tags with. You do get both sheets, so the second sheet has larger imagery that you can add to a full-size card, such as the gingerbread house, the truck with the tree, your reindeer, a nice large tree, and also Santa and his sleigh with a couple reindeer. You'll also get one Simon Says stamp small red tag, and I wanted to show you real quick that that candy cane die fits perfectly on there. To add some bling to your cards, we've included a pack of red sequins, and those are really nice and shiny. We also have 3 of the Simon Says Stamp Audrey Blue note cards, and those are 100-pound pre-scored note cards for your cards, and 3 metallic envelopes, one in white, also Audrey Blue, and Schoolhouse Red. And your cardstocks are lipstick red, white, and green leaf, all from Simon Says Stamp. This is a really packed full of fun card kit called Holiday Cheer, and next up I have some inspiration for you. I'll start off with Cindy Norberg's card where she utilized the candy canes die along with those red sequins and created a really fun shaker card. And also Susie Plantamera really stamped up a fun background using the Santa, the North Pole, and the tree, and used some of those papers as her background. And finally, Heather Hoffman used the snowflakes from the stamp set, also the bow from the candy canes die, and then added in some messages to finish off her design. I hope you've enjoyed this reveal and inspiration of our holiday cheer card kit. Be sure to check our galleries and our blog posts for more inspiration. And as always, thanks so much for watching.